In this video, I'll show you how to wrap text around an image in Canva. Start by opening Canva and creating a new project. First, click on your image and add it to the page. Adjust its size, position, or add rounded corners if needed. Next, go to the Text tool and add your text. Move the text content next to the image. Go to Effects, scroll down to Shape, and click Curve. Adjust the curve intensity as desired. You can also go to the Elements tab, search for Circle, and select a circle frame. Add it to the page, then drag your image into the frame. Double-click the image inside the frame to adjust its position. Return to Effects, scroll to Shape, and apply the curve option again. Fine-tune the curve to match your design. And that's how you wrap text around an image. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.